Good morning from Pulau Penang, Malaysia. It is time for brunch. This morning I am going to the famous Sri Weld Food Court along Beach Street. Located within Penang's financial district, Sri Weld Food Court is a hawker gem that balances the corporate bustle of Beach Street with a laid-back charm. This food court may look modest, but it houses treasures none more renowned than the Ali Nasi Lemak Daun Pisang stall, right by the entrance. The queue at Ali Nasi Lemak is a testament to its reputation. Watching the staff deftly prepare each pyramid-shaped packet is mesmerizing. Fluffy rice, fiery sambal, and your choice of topping, all neatly wrapped in banana leaves. The stall's efficiency and the staff's patience make the experience smooth, even for indecisive first-timers like me. Ordering is easy. Point to the variety you want, pay, and decide if you'll take it away or sit down to devour it. There are plenty of seats inside Sri Weld Food Court to eat your Nasi Lemak. Recently, there have been concerns in Penang regarding some kopitiam owners requiring patrons to purchase beverages. For a harmonious dining experience, it is advisable to order a drink with your food. With a temperature of 31.4 degrees Celsius inside the food court, a cold drink can also help mitigate the risk of heat stroke. Unwrapping my packet of Nasi Lemak Ayam was a sensory delight. The aroma of coconut milk-infused rice mingled with the earthy freshness of banana leaf, hinting at the deliciousness within. The rice was perfectly cooked, soft, fluffy, and fragrant with a touch of pandan. It carried a gentle richness, the kind that comforts rather than overwhelms. And then came the sambal. Oh, the sambal! A glossy red blanket draped over the rice, it packed a fiery punch. Perched on top was a tender piece of chicken, small but flavorful, offering a savory contrast to the heat of the sambal. The spiciness danced unapologetically on my palate, fiery yet addictive, leaving me both wincing and wanting more. The sambal was no mild condiment. It was the soul of the dish, elevating every bite. Ali Nasi Lemak Daun Pisang lives up to the hype. At just RM3, this Nasi Lemak is a flavorful bombshell. While the portions are small, the intense flavors and budget-friendly pricing make it easy to indulge in more than one. If you are unafraid of a fiery sambal and seeking authentic Malaysian flavors, this stall is a must-visit. Pair the food with the vibrant, unpretentious setting of Sri Weld Food Court, and you'll find yourself savoring not just a meal, but a true taste of Penang's culinary heritage.